2019 COVID Antigen Test Kit, Colloidal Gold Method, Operation Demonstration. Allow the test device and specimens to equilibrate to room temperature prior to testing. The kit consists of instruction, qualified certificate, sample swab, sample diluent, dropper's lid and test card. Read the instruction carefully and get well prepared before operating. Sample collection. Nasal swab sample collection. Gently insert the swab 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters into each nostril. Rub the swab around the inside wall of each nostril at least 5 times. With children, the maximum depth of insertion into the nostril may be less than 2.5 centimeters. Test procedure. Put out the sample extraction tube and tear off the membrane slowly. Insert the swab into the sample extraction tube. Squeeze the swab by finger 5 times to dissolve the potential viral antigen into solution from swab as much as possible. Put out a test card. Place the test card on a dry, flat surface. Transfer 3 drops slowly to the sample well of the test card. The result will be obtained after 15 to 20 minutes. Do not read the result after 30 minutes. Interpretation of the result. Positive. 2 lines appear. One colored line appears at the control region, and another colored line appears at the test region. Both lines can be seen very clear. Weak positive. 2 lines appear. One colored line appears at the control region, and another colored line appears at the test region with very light color. Negative. Only one line appears at the control region, and no line appears at the test region.